Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, I'm here again. Please, guys, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. All right. So, today we're going to make a simple little meal, simple video. It's breakfast, really. All right. So, we're going to make, who know about the chocolate, Jamaican chocolate tea? All right. So, we're going to make chocolate tea, and these are the ingredients. All right. So I got this when I went down to Jamaica. I was trying to get them fresh, but in a rush. This one come from St. Mary. Alright, so we bought this at the store. This is the chocolate we're gonna use. This is the cocoa they use to make this. Alright, so we're gonna make some of this, the Jamaican hot chocolate tea. Alright, so and today we're gonna have cinnamon leaf. We'll have vanilla, nutmeg. This is some milk, guys. This is condensed or condensed milk, as some people want to call it. Speaky, spokey, spell the same way. If you don't want, call it what you don't need. Alright? But this is the condensed, sweet condensed milk in here. Alright? So this is what we're going to use. This is some leftover. This is enough, so we're going to use this. Alright? This is cinnamon. Alright? Cinnamon sticks. Alright, so this is for the tea. And then, guys, we're gonna put a little sandwich with it. This morning we're gonna have a sandwich, egg sandwich. And this is what I'm gonna use to make my sandwich. So this is the eggs, and these are the meats I'm gonna put in my sandwich. Tastes good already, guys. My mouth of water. Yes, so this is some tomato, pepperoni, some onions, cheese, and some turkey meat, right? And this is the bread I'm going to use. All right, so this is it. We're going to make this morning. And now, this is the water, right? I put three leaves of cinnamon leaves in there. And one stick of cinnamon stick. One piece, all right? So it's been boiling. Alright, guys, so I'm about to grate 3 of these. Alright, use the fine part of the grater and be careful with your hands and the grater. I don't know who know how to grater. If you have I don't know how you're gonna get this, but you need it shredded. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do here, and I'll get right back. Alright, guys, so this is about, I'm going to put a little bit more water in it. This water is already hot, so it's from the teapot. So I did three chocolates, all right? 3 cocoa, 3 of these, all right? And I grated them here with the grater, as fine as I could get them, all right? The water is boiling, as you can see. So what you're going to do now is you're going to put the chocolate in, pour it in, and stir. Alright, so you're going to leave this to boil. If you cover it, guys, it's up to you, but it's going to come over on your stove. So you're going to have a lot of work to do if you cover this. So just leave it, let it boil. With the get the flavor, let it boil out. All right, 15-20 minutes. I let mine boil out. All right, boil down. So the reason I put enough water in there, guys, I see people add water to things. Actually add water when things are boiling. No, it's best that you just do, one thing and just add all the water you need. So when it boils down, it just boils down to the cocoa or to the soup or to whatever you're cooking. Once you don't need something to dry out or boil out completely, because once you're adding water to whatever you're cooking, it's taking the flavor away from it. All right, so you don't want to do that. So me want this much chocolate, a 3 away. So me put 3 chocolate, and now it's gonna sit there and it's gonna boil. Guys, it smells good already, and it reach no way it come like it don't need even take more chocolate, but I think that's good enough. All right, so 3 of them chocolate, and we're just gonna sit it, let it boil down 15-20 minutes. Let it sit there and boil. All right, boil, and then you sweeten it, strain it, whatever you like. You know, if you want it smooth, Jamaican, we strain it or whatever. But me, sometimes I just let the kids choose what they want. I just mix it and they know what to do. Right, so here it goes, it's boiling, and I'm gonna get started with my little sandwich thing. Right, so I'm gonna make some sandwich. This is already hot already, you know, on the stove, and I'm gonna let this, you know, warm up and thing. All right, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm ready for my sandwich, but I don't like cold sandwich, right? You know, we Jamaican don't fry up, warm up, leftover, whatever, you know. So I'm gonna just barely warm these things up. All right, I'm just gonna warm them up. Put everything in this pot. Everything, just so put them in, and I'll make them go on warm up. All right, put in everything, make them get little lukewarm kind of way. You know, everything don't go in, and then I'm gonna take them back out. Except the cheese, guys. Except the cheese and even the tomato. Right? I just have put them in, make them go on warm up a little bit. You know, too like the cold meat business. So you see, me just have nice warm up them, and then I go take them out. Like that's like a warmest done. I put everything in nice red. Everybody have their way to do things. So, you know, everybody have their way. And if you wanna try my way, guys, feel free. Okay, my kids love the way I cook. So we're just gonna warm it up, as you can see. So it's just low fire. Alright. Just so we give it another minute. Yeah, I did leftover. I'm not warming these up, and I did left two little tomato over. Right, especially the pepperoni. Right, guys, pepperoni. Me love pepperoni pie. Anything you give me, I will eat pepperoni. I'm telling you. So I'm just gonna warm this up. Alright, and I'll be back. Alright, see, so this is 5 eggs, guys. What's up with the uneven business? Me no know. Everybody we do 4, 2. Me look for do uneven or hard number. Right, so me just gonna beat this now. Add some salt and some garlic powder in my stuff. Salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Alright, I'll beat it up. This is the warm up meat right here, and the cheese and the cilantro and some extra onion. Guys, this is the chocolate tea right here. It's coming along, you see. Alright, so it's boiling down. Alright, it's boiling down, coming to a boil there. Alright, so that's this Jamaican chocolate tea. Alright, so we're gonna get this egg beaten and some little stuff in it. Alright, some black pepper or white pepper, guys. If you don't like to see the black pepper, put white pepper. It's up to you. Alright, it's your choice, your thing. You are eating it. Alright, so your seasoning choice. This is some garlic, guys. Me love garlic. I never put none in my meat when me warm it up. So me love me garlic, so me put it in here. So, alright, garlic and a little bit of salt. And I will sprinkle a little bit of salt in there. Right, and that's that. Because the pepperoni have some salt already, so you don't want to overpower it. Right, so then you just beat it. As well, guys, if you don't know the trick, sometimes you can add milk to egg. It will be more, you know, as well as you can add a little bit of water in it. Alright, you add a little water in it. It's stretchy as well. who don't have a whole heap of egg, right? If you add a little bit of water to it or something, our liquor milk, it make it more softer and nice. Okay, and we're gonna do this, get it ready. You can see black pepper we show, but white pepper, guys, again, that's your choice. So just beat it so you can prepare it the way I'm going. Alright, now I'll be back. Now I'm going to get it to the pot and get this sandwich started. Again, guys, look at the chocolate tea. They come. Can't wait for drink it. It smells so good in here. So good. Me can't wait. Them pretty much see them still asleep. Then maybe I'll smell you and hurry up come down. Alright, I'll be back. Guys, I did end up putting a little bit of milk in it, right? I'm warm up kind of salt. I put some butter in the pot. Well, I put some butter, but me kind of salt. Put some butter in the pot and warm up this a little bit, right? So I do 4. If they want more, they have to go make more, right? So, may I cook the egg now? I have just so, you know, cook it. Right. Just cook the egg. This egg is bigger than the thing, so I'm just waiting till the bubble or me turn the stove too low. As me start, I me forget say. Alright, so the chocolate tea is over here. That's finished. Me just to turn off the stove. Alright, so then I'm gonna get to mixing that with milk, sugar, vanilla, and some nutmeg. Right, but we are fixing this sandwich here. So now we're going to put, it's not cook all the way, see, but it's just about cook. Right? So we're going to just put this little thing over top of it there. Right? We're going to let this go a bit. We're going to flip it and add the toppings. Right, but guess what, guys? Me, as usual, can't do nothing with the one hand business, and me not like to use that stand. Me have a thing to put the phone on, but me not used to it yet. And so I'm gonna flip this and get it started, and I'll be back. Alright, guys, I flipped it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna line it any which order you want. Alright, you're just gonna put a couple piece of cheese. My daughter don't like too much of the cheese business, right? So I'm just gonna add 2 little piece, and I'm gonna just add in some meat, right, in the middle. Pepperoni, onion. We just make a little sandwich, you know, nothing fancy, just a little sandwich we eat. Tomato, just add in everything that you want in it. Alright, cheese. I remember say egg already did it. I'll do that. You can add hot sauce, whatever, and then you're gonna flip, fold it, and as well, guys, see you won't see about broken record. So I can't hold the phone and flip it, okay? So I'll be back. Alright, guys, so I am sweetening as so. You have to remove your condiments or whatever the heck you want to call it. Alright, so I'm gonna remove them, and you're just gonna sweeten with your milk and sugar. I'm gonna use brown sugar. Alright, so you're just gonna sweeten to your taste. Alright, and here's the sandwich, and we're gonna finish up and come back. Alright, so now I'm sweetening and completing the sandwiches. Alright, we'll be back. And guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all. Thank you. And this is my little sandwich here. Right? We just take the smallest one, because you know, this is my little sandwich with my little Grace Jamaican hot sauce panny. And I did strain out a cup of the tea. This is the stuff from it. I did strain it out. Alright, so all that look like oil and stuff is all from the chocolate, guys. Rich, nice chocolate where you build yourself. So I'm going to enjoy this cup tea and enjoy my sandwich, okay, with my pepper. Can't wait for name me up. Thanks, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching.